In this Email Man review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to write high converting emails in any niche without actually having to make you do any of the work. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Email Man, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says world's first AI app that auto-generated high converting profitable emails in any niche without writing a word, then send them to targeted leads, stuffing our account with endless $47 commissions. Okay, so here's the thing. This will create emails for you, but as far as like stuffing your accounts with $47 commissions, that's not going to happen. If that existed, I would just be running the software nonstop and stuffing my account with $47 commissions. It just doesn't work like that. There's nothing out there. They might be referencing the fact that they do affiliate marketing and they make commissions from it, but I just don't want you to think that. Like, look at this. You're 4 clicks away from auto-generating hypnotic emails that makes us $4 to $53 daily. Like, no. I mean, I just don't want you to, it kind of implies that you're going to make that kind of money if you do this, and it's not. This is just an email marketing software, okay? Let's get that straight. Okay, so step 1, you log into the dashboard. It says you can generate from enter a keyword or niche, and it will auto-generate the emails for you. And then they say you can blast the emails out and send. You can actually send them with the software. And then they say profit, but your profit's going to depend upon what you're doing in your business. So it's kind of hard to say that. But anyways, you enter a keyword, it does its magic, it spits out email sequences. This says it gives you done for you hot leads. Any kind of leads that you just like grab and put into a system like this and start blasting, they're not going to buy from you. Like it's spamming. You can't just spam leads like affiliate links or whatever. You can do cold email marketing. That's different. It's customized. It's actually like each email is customized to the person. You're not just blasting out offers. There's a big difference, and it depends upon the area of the world that you live in. Anyways, I'll get off my pedestal there. You can use this in any niche to create emails for you. If we go down through here, again, they show income screenshots. Like this is just funny. Anyways, scroll down through all this craziness. And if you purchase, you get access to the software. Like, what's all this? These are all fake. These are all just like AI generated images or something. Anyways, come on, guys, stop doing this on the sales pages. If you purchase, you get access to all this right here for a low one-time price. There might be a discount that pops up when you move your mouse away. It's not right now because it's not live yet, but just try moving your mouse away. I make less as an affiliate by pointing that out too, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to play you a quick video explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the upgrades, and the discounts.
Do you know what is the most profitable business model on earth? I bet you will be surprised. It's email marketing. Yes, emails, the thing that every guru told us is dead, but secretly leveraged it in every business they do. Do you know why? Because it's powerful, that's it. On average, for every $1 spent on email marketing, the return is $36. Yup, 36 times return on investment with simple, boring emails. This is the power of email marketing, my friend. But you know what is even more powerful? Combining the world's most advanced AI model with email marketing. And this is exactly what we did, and this is how exactly we have been making hundreds of dollars every single day. How? Easy, we created the world's first app that will write hypnotic and high-converting emails. Without us doing any writing, we just enter a keyword, and that's it. Within seconds, Email Man will spit out dozens of email sequences for us. Without us learning any copywriting, and without paying for an overly expensive copywriter to do it for us. It will take you maybe a year or 2 to learn to write good emails. Or you can take a shortcut and hire a good copywriter. It will only cost you maybe $497 to get just one email written. For many of us, that's just not affordable, and that's where Email Man shines. It uses the most robust language model ever created to mimic all the historical great copywriters. Doesn't matter what you are trying to sell or promote, Email Man has your back. Just simply enter your keyword, hit generate, and you are done. Not only that, even if you don't have a list of leads, Emailman got your back. It will show you how to generate thousands of sizzling hot leads in any niche you want, without paying even a penny in ads. Hey, my name is Daniel, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce you to Emailman. Here, let me show you how easy it is to use Emailman. Step 1, Login. Log in to Emailman powerful dashboard. Step 2, Generate. Enter your keyword or niche and let our AI model generate email sequence for you that is guaranteed to convert. Step 3, Blast. Copy and paste our emails and send them to the sizzling hot leads provided to you for free with Emailman. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this gonna cost me? Look, Emailman is a true one-of-its-kind software. It's hard to put a price on that, it replaces all of your current apps. So, if we wanted to charge $997 a month for it, it would be 100% fair. After all, our beta testers made way more than $997 within a few days of using Emailman. But you know what, I can't charge you that much, it's a big commitment for someone who's just starting out. So, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Emailman. For a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner. But that won't last long. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen. Right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you. To help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Emailman for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple, if you don't make money, we don't want your money. We will refund you every single penny you paid within 24 hours. Click the button below and get instant access to Emailman plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000.
This is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. We have all these different things where you can like create your email content, cover letter, introduction email, email sequences, all these different things that you can do with it. So it does have lots of different things where you can write these sequences, which is actually helpful. There are multiple upgrades. First one is unlimited. So it's going to unlock unlimited features, unlock commercial license. You get all that with this here, but you will want to move your mouse away. You can get a $60 discount off this. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that discount, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one, OTO2, says unlimited email man accounts for your customers. You can actually sell accounts to people, and there's it looks like one of them is 67, and this is, okay, you get agency and reseller license for $197. Move your mouse away, you can get a $50 discount. Next one is the Enterprise Edition. You get 100 done for you products to promote. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. Then they'll set it up for you, and so you can enjoy $100 per hour on autopilot. How can you say that? Anyways, they'll set it up for you, and you can get a $50 discount. Next one is you can get traffic. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one is looks like they'll send you traffic, but like that makes you an extra $4,000 to $5,000 in passive income per month. No, it's not going to make you that. Like you can't say that. $50 discount. Next one here, you can resell it. Get a $50 discount. Next one, done for you niches, $50 discount. And the last one is they'll clone a funnel for you. Anyways, move your mouse away, get a discount. All these upgrades are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Email Man and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, all these income screenshots, it's just claiming that you're going to make $47 commissions over and over again. It's not going to happen. It is a software, not some magic push button system. What do I like about it? If you are looking for a software that's going to help you write emails, you want something that's a one-time price and very inexpensive, then this could be something that's right for you. If so, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Email Man review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.